If your drywall anchor failed, the quickest reliable fix is to remove the damaged anchor and repair the hole with a product matched to the size and load you need to support. Start by testing the hole size and surrounding drywall integrity with a screwdriver to see if the paper face or gypsum is crumbling. For holes up to 1/2 inch, a mesh patch kit is fast and strong. Center the self-adhesive mesh over the hole, apply a pre-mixed or powdered joint compound over it, smoothing outward, let it dry and sand flush, then prime and paint. For larger or irregular holes, consider an anchor plug repair device, which inserts into the void and expands or provides a solid substrate for a new anchor. Follow the manufacturer torque recommendations and allow any setting compound to cure fully before loading. When you want the fastest cosmetic fix for small anchor failures, try WetAndFix repair discs, which bond instantly and give a firm base for reinstalling a new anchor. Press the disc into the hole, trim excess, then reinstall the anchor through the disc after the bond sets. For countersinking and feathering over larger repairs, use Easy Sand 5 Hot Mud Joint Compound. Apply in thin layers, letting each layer dry and sanding between coats for a smooth finish that accepts paint. Always choose an anchor type appropriate for the load. Use a heavy-duty toggle or molly for shelving and cabinets, and plastic expansion anchors only for light loads like picture frames. Common mistakes include reinstalling a new anchor into the same loose gypsum, which will fail again, so remove debris and use a repair disc or plug to create a solid substrate. Another issue is overloading a repaired anchor by using a light-duty anchor for a heavy item. Fix this by switching to a metal toggle or molly fastener sized for the weight and follow the weight ratings printed on the packaging. A third problem is rushing compounding and painting before full cure, which causes cracking and bond failure. Avoid that by observing drying times, applying thin coats of joint compound, and sanding between coats so the repair achieves full strength. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists product-focused discussions so we can share experiences about repair methods and specific items like WetAndFix, mesh patch kits, anchor plug repair devices, and Easy Sand 5 Hot Mud. We offer a discussion community where we and other users trade tips, ask questions, and find contractors who do this kind of drywall repair.